Sushma Swaroop International School is situated about 8 km from Karvi, Pahari Road, Karvi, Chitrakoot. SSIS is the brainchild of Mr. Ajay Kumar Agrawal, founder of the school, the chairman of the Hindi Khabar news channel, owner and managing director of Agrawal Jewellers, Delhi. With an undying will of initiating, Mr. Ajay Kumar Agrawal laid educational foundation for the children of remote area for their all-round development, who would grow up to be confident and self-sufficient young adults. The highly qualified and driven faculty of the school are the facilitator and mentors, develop children self-disciplined and confident. Morning assembly has its own importance. School begins with morning assembly remembering to God for bestowing His blessings on everyone that the day ends well. A belief that molding children in their tender age can bring forth a change in the entire generation for the years to come. Preparation of life must be an enjoyable, interactive, ongoing process. We have digitalized classrooms to facilitate through multimedia for all the subjects, make learning a pleasurable experience. The teachers inculcate positive attitude, imbibe with social and moral values in children who raise questions from independent hypotheses and develop an inquisitive mind. The students are offered computer science, engaged doing various programs in computer lab. School provides remedial classes to below average students for doing better that they do not lag behind the others. Sushma Swaroop International School may perhaps be the only one of its kind to provide guardian benches in each class for the parents to observe the classroom performance of a son or daughter. The students in laboratories of science are busy doing practical of theory and also experiments to invent the things of daily use. Alongside educational facilities, the school invests in health and hygiene region by providing medical checkup, purified clean drinking water, hand dryer, soap dispensers, napkin, vending machine in washroom. Moving on the extracurricular activities, students are engaged in activities to explore their hidden talents. They bring laurels to the school by participating in various international competitions. School offers an array of sports and self-defense activities such as athletics, basketball, football, volleyball, hockey, judo, karate, martial arts, and many more. Pre-primary kids are also provided all the facilities of games of their standard for grooming them to become good player. Regular robotic classes based on art and craft, science, technology, engineering and maths to develop practical skill as well as entrepreneurial skill development among the students to grow independent. The students quench their thirst of knowledge in a huge library equipped with wide range of reference and storybooks, magazines, daily newspaper and encyclopedia on the subjects. Our school has been awarded with the Best School Award for Cleanliness and Hygiene, Swachh Vidyalaya Award among all CBSE schools of Chitrakoot. Shivi Singh of our school secured national level rank in SOF Maths Olympiad. In our school, children find happiness with whatever unique skill and gift they possess to lead happy and successful life.
Sushma Swaroop International School is unique in itself. We bring all-round development of the child by extracting inbound potentialities in him or her. We intend for the enrichment of 4 H's: heart, head, hand and health. Our educational planning and programming have been designed accordingly.